So nanoengineering is about engineering things at small scale. So you're interested in small things, you're interested in engineering things at small scale because they give you some unique function and unique outcomes. We focus broadly on what would be referred in mechanical engineering as thermal and fluid mechanics on one side and manufacturing on the other side. And so a lot of our work is trying to combine the two together. And of course, when you're trying to do that, materials has to be part of it.
We're incorporating sensors onto surgical gloves, which are routinely used in practice, so that clinicians can wear them. And we can obtain through them different kinds of pressure data and also different kinds of softness or hardness data of the materials they're coming into contact with in the human body.
Human beings in future are going to use multiple wearable electronics. And all of these devices or sensors or health monitoring gadgets, they use batteries. But these batteries are toxic for our environment and also very much toxic for our body. So my research is basically trying to come up with a solution where we can use the human body as the power source to generate enough electrical power to power these devices so that in future we don't need batteries.
The sustainability of the wind turbine blade is a major problem in renewable energy. So in our lab, we are majorly focused on water-based coating to specifically prevent the corrosion and the anti-icing of the wind turbine blades.
The type of 3D printing that we do in our laboratory is actually very simple. It works exactly the same way as a fountain pen that we use for writing. We essentially just write with silver ink. With this technique, I can create very intricate and fine resolution patterns to make circuit boards. In the future, the kind of 3D printing we do in Nanoengineered Systems Laboratory is going to allow us to make completely personalized, custom-made sensors, allowing us to tailor and improve efficiency of medical diagnostic tools for each person.
We can engineer surfaces that could protect from contamination, or they could be applied onto solar cells and improve their efficiency or help maintain their efficiency. And so by engineering the surface precisely at nanoscale, you can actually increase the efficiency of processes like that. And if you can do that, you will use less energy to produce useful forms of energy, which then contributes to sustainability as a whole. In other words, you can start very small, you can start to engineer things precisely, and then you can start to have different kinds of fairly large impacts.